हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम शॉर्ट ट्रिक ऑन इनडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन करने जा रहे हैं। कुछ सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस है जिसका हम इन वेरी शॉर्ट इन वेरी क्विक वी कैन फाइंड द आंसर, जो कि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस है। उसके अगर वंस वी नो टेक्निक ऑफ दैट हाउ टू गेट द आंसर क्विकली, सो सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आई हैव सिलेक्टेड। तो जैसे कि मैंने ए क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट किया है, दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ द टाइप ए साइन एक्स प्लस बी कॉस एक्स सी साइन एक्स प्लस डी कॉस एक्स। So within very short time you can find answer of this and you can mark your multiple choice question. So इसका डिटेल आंसर दिया है हमने. So we write numerator as lambda, denominator plus mu derivative of denominator, and after simplifying lambda integral dx plus mu f dash of x upon fx. So answer will be this lambda x mu log of d plus c. So lambda and mu how we find, उसका ये मेथड है. So we compare, see this is our numerator, this is lambda into denominator, mu into derivative of the denominator. फिर हम सॉल्व करने पर lambda and mu you are getting, after solving this simultaneous equation you are getting lambda is equal to 11 upon 25, mu is equal to 2 upon 25, and we put the answer lambda x plus mu into log of the denominator. Lambda and mu, how we can quickly find, how we can find it fast. So we should remember, हमको ये याद रखना है, lambda is equal to, यह a b, a is the coefficient of sin x in numerator, b is the coefficient of cos x in numerator, and c is the coefficient of sin x in denominator, d is the coefficient of cos x in denominator. So accordingly we arrange पहले sin cos numerator denominator a b c d, ये a है, ये b है, ये c है और ये d है. तो डिनोमिनेटर में आपका लैम्बडा के आएगा a c स्क्वायर प्लस d स्क्वायर, c स्क्वायर प्लस d स्क्वायर, c is 3 and d is 4, c स्क्वायर प्लस d स्क्वायर 25 आएगा. फिर ac प्लस bd, तो ac is what 1 into 3 प्लस bd is 8, 8 plus 3 11, और then bc minus ad, bc minus ad upon c square plus d square will give us 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2 upon 25. So let us do another similar question and immediately we will find the answer. Next question, 3 sin x 2 cos x 2 sin x 3 cos x. तो आपको ये होगा a b c and d. So accordingly immediately you will find the answer. So your answer will be like this: lambda x plus mu log of d, log of d is the denominator plus c. Lambda and mu you can find ac, ये आपका a है, ये b है, c and d. c square plus d square, it gives 4 plus 3 square, 4 plus 9, that is okay 13. c square plus d square, 4 plus 3 square, so that is 9. So 13 it is 13 in the denominator plus 13 in the denominator, log of d is 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus c, this is denominator, and ac plus bd, it will be 6 plus 6, that is 12, and bc minus ad, bc is 4, 2 into 2 will give us 4, 4 minus 9, that is minus 5. So this will be minus 5. This will be our answer and it will be absolutely right. So next question, लेकिन ये इस फॉर्म में नहीं है. So tan x को आपको लिखना होगा sin upon cos, and first we simplify it. So it is integral dx upon 2 plus 3 sin x upon cos x cos x जाएगा न्यूमरेटर पे, इट इज cos x अपॉन 2 cos x प्लस 3 sin x. अगेन वी पुट इन द फॉर्म a b c d. तो ये फॉर्म होगा आपका इसका इंटीग्रल I इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे sin x टर्म नहीं है, cos x विल गोज इन अप न्यूमरेटर 2 cos x प्लस 3 sin x. सो cos sin टर्म नहीं है तो इसका मतलब 0 है. सो 0 इंटू साइन एक्स प्लस 1 cos x अपॉन 3 sin x. फर्स्ट विल राइट sin x, 3 sin x प्लस 2 cos x dx. ये आपका a b c और d. सो और आंसर विल बी c square plus d square 3 square plus 4, that is 9 plus 4 13. So denominator is 13 here. So we'll write it here. The answer lambda x plus mu d and plus c, which is lambda. Lambda is what? AC means 0 plus BD means 2, 1 into 2, 2 upon c square plus d square, that is 9 plus 4 13, x plus BC, that is 3 minus AD 0. So it will be 3 upon 13 log of denominator. So our denominator is this 3 sin x plus 2 cos x plus c. So in very short step, within one step you will get the answer, which we can mark or appropriate multiple choice answer. Question is 4 e raised to power x minus 25 2 e raised to power x minus 5 dx. In short, how we can get the answer? इसका आंसर हम शॉर्ट ट्रिक से कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? You can compare it with a b c d. A b c and d. You can name this as this a b c and d. So the answer is this lambda x plus mu log of d. D means what? Denominator. So lambda और mu ये constant find करने हैं. So how we can get this constant? So lambda is given by b upon d. So मतलब इसका आंसर आएगा b upon d. So b upon d means minus 25 upon minus 5, which is 5. So 5x plus, see the first question, answer is integral I is equal to 5x, which is b upon d, 5x, and then a upon c is 4 upon 2 is 2, 2 minus lambda. We are getting lambda is equal to 5. So here we are getting lambda is equal to 5, and a upon c is 4 upon 2 is 2, 2 minus 5 will give us minus 3 log of denominator. So denominator is 2 e raised to power x minus 5 plus c. Second, I is equal to ये a b c and d और lambda x. Answer is lambda x plus mu log d. So lambda is equal to b upon d, that is 20 divided by 4, which is 5x, and then this is our lambda, that is 5. फिर a upon c. So ये a है, this is a, and this is what? C. This is c. A upon c, 12 upon 3 is 4, and 4 minus lambda, that is 5, which is minus 1. 4, this is what? 4. 12 upon 3 gives us 4. A upon c 4. 4 minus lambda. A upon c minus lambda. Lambda is equal to 5. So minus 1 log of denominator. Denominator is 3 e raised to power x plus 4 plus c. By applying this shortcut method, you can get correct option of the multiple choice question. But this is for only multiple choice question. So these are very short tricks. Student can apply this short trick. Remember this short trick. Thank you.